In this video, I will show you how to add jump and gravity to the player. Open the player controller script. Create a float variable for force to the jump. Create a variable for gravity. Go to the update function. Getting the up arrow key from the keyboard. If we click the up arrow key, the jump function will be run. In the jump function, we are giving the force to y-axis. Giving gravity to y-axis. Save and get back to Unity. Give a jump force and give gravity value. The gravity should be in negative value. Yeah, it's working. You see that, if we click the up arrow key again and again, it's getting higher and higher. So, we need to set, if our player jumps once need to touch the ground for next jump. Open the player controller script. Cut the if condition. If the controller is grounded, then only the up arrow key will be work. Paste the if condition. Else the gravity will be work. Save and get back to Unity. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Until you touch the ground, you can make only one jump. If you enjoy this video, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.